What's up, YouTube? Haven't seen y'all in like 4 days. Haven't been fishing because I just haven't been fishing. I wish I was, but I wasn't. But anyways, y'all are gonna be seeing this video probably Saturday night or Sunday. It is Thursday right now. We have a tournament Saturday, which is what the video is gonna be based around. But also the reason I'm doing it a little bit Thursdays, because I'm just gonna show y'all what I'm getting ready to go, because I'm like bored today, so why not shoot a little bit. But this is what I have, and I'll show y'all right now. Alright, number one, I got the Pro Qualifier reel. This is the first generation Bass Pro Shops make them. They're pretty cheap. They're only like a $100 reel. But I got that, and then I got a black and blue jig on there with a Zoom trailer, which is also black and blue. And I also got for my second rod, I have the, what's it called? The H2O Express, which is from Academy. And it's actually, I think, only $100 for the combo, but it is a really good combo. But I got a spinnerbait on there. It's really muddy, so I figured the spinnerbait would work. And then I also got the Lew's American Hero combo. It's like 140, I think, something like that. Texas rig with a Zoom June bug U-tail worm. Fourth rod, I got the another Pro Qualifier, first generation by Bass Pro Shop. And it's not a combo. The rod, they don't even make these rods anymore, it's an older rod. But I also got another jig, which is orange. I don't know what brand of jig this is, but I figured that if black and blue don't work, orange kind of matches muddy color, stained water, so figure that might work if black and blue don't. And last but not least, I got the Silver Max, yeah, AB Go See Silver Max with the Zoom, man, what's this crap called? These things, the Z-Crawl, Zoom Z-Crawl, and it is in black and silver. And I got that for punching in case we do punch. I got the peg on it, Texas rig. So I don't know, and this is just the rod and reels I'm gonna be using. That's not including what my dad's gonna be using. He's probably gonna be using 4 or 5 more. He has a Silver Max and another H2 Express and some other rods, but that's what we have together. We've been going in my dad's boat and fishing tournament. It's a little small local tournament, so maybe we can catch some. I think it's only like 14 people at most there. Very small tournament. I think payout if you wins, like if you win big fish and first place, you get like $200. So I mean, it's not much, but it's just something to do when you're bored or something like that. But yeah, I'll see y'all Saturday. C12. Let me throw up here real quick and get out of you throw real quick. That's a good one. Let me get the net. Yeah. Oh, that's a big one.
It's under the counter.
Where? I don't know where it is. Yeah. That's what I'm talking about.
I want to take out of the hook now. Get him off. Let me get that thing. Don't drop.
That's probably a 3.5, maybe.
Come on, come on, come on.
You got a trailer hook and regular hook. I should just scream out Jeff and just hold it up. You could probably almost stick your fist in his mouth. Almost. Got him. Nice. Oh, you see it there where those trees are crossing? It was to the right of them. But yeah, it was way up there though. And he hit it like right time it hit the water too. Got him. Tiny one. Nah. Be close. Yeah, I think yours would eat this one.
Put him in the other box.
Go. Where? What log? What big log? That one way over there? Oh, the two? Nope. Not gonna make it. Another one? That's 12. It's gonna be close. Got him on the trailer hook. That's why you always use the trailer hook. No, it's about the size of mine. Ugh. Mine was like 11, I think. Maybe I need to try the old whopper plopper. Oh, Whop Daddy.
Give me a phone.
Oh, there's one. He's still hitting at it. Got him. What is that? Oh, thank God. Thank you, Jesus. It was a stupid mudfish. Let's keep her in it. No? Get out of there, get out of there, please, get out of there. Please be 12, please be 12, please be 12. Yes, thank you, Jesus. Much. What do you mean? No, I was getting out the thing. I didn't even know he was on there at the time. He hooked himself.
Hey, at least you found it. Hopefully all hooked himself.
He came from the bank. He's running with it. Oh. That's a keeper. Huh? Alright. He hit it way out of the bank. Where's it going? I just got him off. Yeah. We're almost there, aren't we? Oh, there's a bite right there, Daddy. Look, 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 look. See it? Oh, yeah, he's really going with it now. Huh? What? No, Dad, that's a fish. Oh, so a log did that? What's up, guys? We just got done weighing in our fish. It turned out of 10 people, I got 6th, which is horrible. My dad got 2nd, and he got big fish. And his big fish, I think, was 3.9. So, I mean, that was pretty good. But, thanks for watching. And leave a like and comment down in the comment section if you ever fish in the Savannah River. And I will see y'all next time. Peace.